Okay, so my next question is, what is the utility of MS Excel? Okay, what is the utility of MS Excel and where it is commonly used? Okay, so MS Excel is what? MS Excel is Microsoft Excel, which is commonly used for calculation, for generating invoice, for generating bills, um, for giving. It is generally used as a retailer on the retailer shops. It is generally used for calculations. Big calculations can be done with MS Excel within a fraction of seconds, and that is why MS Excel is used. Now in MS Excel, I have few questions like how to write formulas in Excel and write formulas for multiple entries, writing formulas for multiple entries of two cells. So we'll come to Excel here. Um Now see, in this particular Excel, I have created a table. Okay, in this three students details are there of English and Hindi. Okay, now we can do calculations in Excel. So I want to add the values, these two values I want to add, and I want to display it in this particular cell. So what I will do, there are formulas. Now what are the formulas? Formulas always starts with is equals to sign. In Excel, formula always starts with is equals to sign, and after writing is equals to sign, you'll have to give the address of the cells. Like this particular cell's address is D column and fifth row. So D5 is the cell of D5 is the address of this particular cell, and this particular cell's address is E5. So every cell has their individual addresses. So if I want to calculate this both cells, so what I will do, I will write is equal to, okay, and after that I have to do multiplication. Okay, suppose that I have to do addition. I have to add here. So what I will do, I will write is equals to, I'll write D5 plus E5. Okay, after writing the address, I will press enter key. You can see the total has been done over here. Okay, this is the formula and the total has been done. Suppose that if I want to multiply these cells, if I want to multiply these values in the next cell, that is in the G cell, so what I will do, again I will write formula. I'll write is equals to, and again D5. For multiplication we use star sign and then E5. Okay, and then press enter. Now see, the multiplication also has been done. So this is the way we do multiplication or addition or uh, any other equations can be done like this. So next question, my next question is how to copy the formula of one cell in the number of cells. Okay, suppose that I have created this formula. Okay, now I have to copy the same formula to to this particular two cells also. So what I will do, the simple process is that, okay, I have created the formula. You can see the formula over here. Of this cell also I have created the formula. You can see the formula over here. Now what I will do, I will click on this particular cell. Okay, you can see this particular point. Okay, when I take my particular mouse cursor to the left, to the right bottom corner of the cell, then my mouse pointer becoming plus sign. Okay, I'll click it over here and I'll drag it down. You can see the calculation has been done. Okay, you will able to see the formulas also in the formula bar. Okay, now again I have to do the same for this particular cells. Again I will select it. I'll take my mouse pointer over there and drag it down. You can see the formula, the addition, the calculation has been done. You can see the formulas also. So this is the way we can do shortcut formulas. Next one is how to set the filter in Excel. Now to set the filter, okay, suppose that to set the filter, what I will do, I'll have to select the cells. Okay, I'll go to the home tab. In the home tab you can see this funnel type logo is created over here. In this, short and filter option is there. Okay, when I will click on this particular option, okay, I'll get some drop down menu, and out of that the filter option is present over here. I'll have to click on this. Okay, the time when I'll click on the filter option, you can see this arrow has been added to my table headings. Okay, or you can say the field's name, right? Suppose that I want to display only Mary's result I want to display. So what I will do, I will select on this particular cell, on this particular arrow. Okay, in the text filter option, I will deselect everyone, and I will select only the Mary. Clear? I will select only the Mary's option, and when I'll select only the Mary option, I'll click OK button. You can see only the Mary's result is displaying. Other than that, all the results has got hidden. Okay, and you can see the funnel option over here. Other than this, the funnel options are not appearing on anyone's cells. So it means that this is the way the funnel filter has been applied. Suppose that if I want to add filter in this also, so only one option is there, so that is why it will not get applied. Now what I can do, I can select all, and all will appear. Suppose that according to marks I want to display. Okay, I want to select the student who have got 78 marks. Clear? So I will deselect the other one, and I will select this. Only this will appear. Okay, suppose that I want to display two students detail, those who have got 78 and 81. So I will select both, and I'll press OK button. So this is the way filter works. Okay, so this was my questions regarding computer, and I have completed it. Thank you, and please review this. Thank you.